The saying that love is in the air came to life this weekend when Mr. Bernard Nwajira of Isingiro district received his in-laws who had traveled all the way from Somalia. According to ancient history of the East African region, cattle-keeping communities of Uganda and Rwanda migrated from present-day Ethiopia and Somalia. The language could have changed, but the way of life is largely the same. You could be forgiven if you mistook the groom for a Munyankore because of the way he handled cows. But some of these characteristics are wired in the DNA.
I will come there.
Even the cows seem to respond. The guests from Mogadishu included former Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud. They witnessed a rare occasion where a Somali national marries a Ugandan. The former president was dazzled by the many similarities of the Bahima and Somalis.
Not only the faces of the people, but even the way of life.
Despite the language barrier, they could feel the connection.
Today here, we are not just here a marriage of a beloved daughter and a beloved son, but this is joining of two great nations.
It is common to hear different ethnic groupings in Uganda tracing their roots from Abyssinia or present-day Ethiopia and Somalia. Apparently, the same belief applies in the whole of Africa.
I said, you guys, you left Somalia.
In this culture, during Okuhinjira, you don't see the faces of the bride and her entourage. They are totally covered, even more than the Islamic veil for females. This is Stella Akatukunda, the Ankole beauty who stole the heart of Hassan Shiri from Shangani in the Somali capital Mogadishu. The Shiris paid 20 Frisian cows as bride price, but received more than 30 during the Okuhinjira. As Hassan and his best man Rogers Rwampwanyi and their guests were preparing to leave, it was clear to them that this was a marriage like no other. And yes, it was. Even in Barara town was dazzled by the glees of 4x4s which graded down into the hills of Ankole. There's no doubt that even as night falls on Ndizi sub-county in Isingiro district, this ceremony will be talked about for some time to come. I am Patrick Kamara in Bukanga, Isingiro.